Welcome to the Dr. Ramsey Show, sponsored by Revitalize Functional Medicine. If you're looking for health tips released consistently every week, you've showed up to the right place. We're grateful that you're joining us, and now your host, Dr. Teresa Ramsey.
Hi, I'm Dr. Teresa Ramsey, and welcome to a new experience that we're providing for you, and that's called the Dr. Ramsey Show. We were doing podcasts, and now I want to just highlight what we do for you. We're going to be interviewing patients. I'll have different doctors on talking about their specialties and giving you weekly health tips that you can follow us on. You can just click on the health tip that you're interested in. We also have new staff. Most of you remember Rosie, who worked with us in our lab for 11 years. Well, she's back in our office, and many of our patients are really happy to see her here. We have new front desk staff as well, and we just provide for you the best care that we can, as we always have, even with the changes that we've had recently. Well, I know that you've been loving our podcasts, and the reason that we changed our platform was to make it shorter and take away messages that are really powerful for you. So we just wanted to kind of streamline it into educational tips for you and your family and your friends. So we are continuing to do testing, for the virus. We're gratefully helping people to calm down and to be more at ease with what's happening and how to strengthen their immune system. We're doing treatments as well that are working very well, as they always have in different viral conditions that we've treated in the past. And we also have, concierge treatments for you at home if you're sick or you know somebody who's sick that needs treatment that can't come into our office. So just join us here each week and send us any ideas that you'd like us to talk about if we haven't already covered it. Thank you so much and have a great day.
Thank you for joining us, and stay tuned for our episode next Tuesday. Stay healthy and happy until next time.